Have you come across this channel before? Kids from all around the world absolutely love watching it. It's like a daily show just for them, packed with colorful animations, catchy songs, and themes that really connect with both young children and their parents. Kids are so into it that it racks up billions of views each month, making channels like this an ideal cash cow for online businesses. Just look at this through ad revenue alone. This channel pulls in an impressive 100 million views, with 188,000 subscribers, and the monthly earnings is around $485,000 to $7.8 million. If I'd suggested making a channel like this 2 years ago, you might have dismissed the idea because of all the work involved. You'd need to write songs, scripts, and animate, and if you didn't know how to do that, hiring a crew would cost a small fortune. But now, with AI, you can easily make this happen. This video you're watching right now only took me 5 minutes to make and $0 to produce. That's right, so stay tuned, and I'll show you how to start making animated kids song videos of your own. Before we dive in, there's an important detail to keep in mind. The TikTok Creator Rewards program is currently available only in countries like the US and UK. If you're not from these countries, you might think you're out of luck, but I found a solution. I won't go into too much detail, but this could be an excellent way to start earning quickly. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully on how to use your account so TikTok doesn't detect that you're outside the US or UK. There's a website that provides accounts already enrolled in the Creator Rewards program from places like the UK. With these accounts, you can start earning money from your very first post, even if you don't have 10,000 followers yet. Every project begins with an idea, and if you don't have one yet, you can always get some help. I'll use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for an animated kids song video. I like this one, so I'll ask ChatGPT to create the script and lyrics for it. Perfect. Next, I'll have ChatGPT write the video prompt for each scene, making sure each prompt includes the full setting, as the video generator might otherwise miss details. Let's copy this over and start creating the video clips. For this, we'll use a video generator AI. There are options like Vidupika, Runway, Kling AI, and the newest one, Haluo.ai. These AI tools offer free tier access, but for this video, I'll be using Huo. This tool provides 3 days of unlimited access for new users. As you can see, I've tested it already, so let's take a look at some of the clips I've made. This tool actually performs better than other AI video generators. No distortions, no morphing, and it applies physics to the videos. Now, let's paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT and generate our video. When the free version is busy, generating can take a few minutes. We can queue up to 3 items at a time, so let's add the other prompts and start the process. This part can take a bit, so let's fast forward and check out the results. The clips look perfect, download them. Now, we need a song, so let's use Suno AI. If you don't sing, play instruments, or write songs, this tool is ideal. Click Create, copy the lyrics from ChatGPT, then paste them here. Now we'll ask ChatGPT for the music style. Copy and paste it, enter the title, and create the song. Suno generated 2 songs, let's listen to both and pick the one that suits the video best. The second song sounds better, so I'll download it. Now that we have everything we need, let's put it all together in a video editor. I'll be using CapCut. Upload the clips and music. Match the clips to the song. Make sure to listen to the entire music track first, so you'll know where to start with the introduction and which clips to choose. This way, your introduction will align perfectly with the video you're creating for the kids' animal channel. Here's what I do. I listen to the music first before selecting clips to ensure the visuals sync seamlessly with the music. Make sure each clip matches the lyrics or theme of the music track. This makes the video more engaging and appealing to children, encouraging them to watch until the very end. Just follow the process I'm demonstrating and repeat it to learn how to align each clip with the music. If you're feeling confused, you can rewind this video to understand the editing process better. Next, in this step, I'll add clips to match the animals mentioned in the downloaded script provided by ChatGPT. For example, animals like a lion, elephant, parrot, and crocodile. Toward the end, I'll add an outro clip. I'll also add a fade out at the end and a fade in at the start of the video. To remove watermarks, simply select all the clips and scale them up to 121%. Afterward, I'll review the clips to ensure all are zoomed in correctly. Then, I'll apply adjustments to enhance the visuals, including improving brightness and sharpening the clips. You can decide whether to replicate my settings or customize them to your liking. Once everything is done, export the video in 2K resolution at 60 FPS. Give your video a name and click export. Here's the final result.
I see the lion roaring happily. Roar, roar, let's roar some more. Jump like a lion, hear the mighty roar. Stomping along, who could it be? It's an elephant by the big palm tree. Trumpet, trumpet, wave your trunk. Stomp like an elephant, ka-plunk, ka-plunk. Swinging and jumping from tree to tree. It's a cheeky monkey just like me. Ooh, ooh, clap your hands. Jump like a monkey, dance and prance. Flying so high, the feathers so bright. A parrot's...
What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like if this video helped. Try this and start your own faceless YouTube channel. See you.